Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Just after 4 o'clock this afternoon, we were called to an incident. We've got the demolition work that's currently going on at Didcot A Power Station, and there's been a major collapse of one of the buildings there. Currently, we can confirm that we've got one deceased individual. We've got 5 of the construction workers that are currently in hospital, and we've got 3 people that are still missing. So we've got 5 crews here from Oxfordshire. We've also got an urban search and rescue team from Buckinghamshire and Hampshire, specialist rescue teams, and we've got some sniffer dogs that are currently assessing the rubble pile at the moment and listening to see if there are any signs of life.
Clearly we've seen, from the aerial pictures that we've got, that this is going to be a very difficult environment for you to work in. Can you just give us a sense of what you're doing down there?
Yes, what we've got a building, half of the building has collapsed. The building was in the process of being stripped out, so it's completely clear of all hazards. So effectively it's a concrete and metal frame, and the other part of the building at the moment is still unsafe. So our crews have obviously got to be extremely careful being able to access the rubble pile while still maintaining their own safety. In terms of other hazards there, as I said, the building's completely stripped out. There's no issues around any impact on the power generation from the rest of the site, and there's no issues around the railway, which is about 50 metres away from the actual building.
The demolition crew was working there. Do we know why yet? Any sense of what happened? Were they planting explosives, preparing to demolish the building?
No, at the moment, as I said, they were stripping out the building. It's almost like pre-demolition. So they were getting all of those hazardous materials out. They were all clear, and as I said, part of the buildings collapsed whilst they were in the building.
How hopeful are you of those that are missing?
At the moment, it's really difficult to say. There's a large amount of rubble there at the moment, so we'll wait and see what the listening crews do.
It's possible in situations like this, isn't it, to listen out and see whether you can hear anybody in the rubble. Are you getting any messages?
At the moment, they're just on site, so I can't give you any more details on that at the moment.
Imagine a lengthy night operation though it will be.
Yes, I mean, we'll be here for the duration, and as I said, we've got specialist teams from Buckinghamshire and Hampshire assisting us.
Do we know how many were in the building when it collapsed?
There were other workers around, but as I said, the individuals that I've already identified were the ones that were directly involved.
And are we talking about men or women? Any ideas on ages? Or?
I can't give you any details at the moment. I'm sorry.
Can you give me your name and title again, please?
Yes, it's Nathan Travis. I'm the Deputy Chief Fire Officer for Oxfordshire County Council Fire and Rescue Service. And as I said, in terms of reassurance around power generation, the impacts on there, and also the impact on the railway, those are both fine. Okay, any further questions?
Are you able, Nathan, to update us and to kind of come back?
We'll give you regular updates.
Okay, cool.
Nathan, sorry, can I just get a picture?
Yeah.